Hey trainers, welcome back to the video. Today I'll show you how to get Mega Energy in Pokemon Go so you can evolve or Mega Evolve your Pokemon into the basic form or evolved form to make them stronger in battle. So there are 4 different ways to get Mega Energy. I will list them one by one. First is Mega Raids. Participating in Mega Raids, completing them gives Mega Energy for specific Pokemon featured in the raid. Another method is catching Pokemons. During special events, catching certain Pokemons can reward Mega Energy for that Pokemon, so make sure you catch as much Pokemon as you can. And another method is special research tasks. Some research tasks and timed research events give Mega Energy as rewards, so look out for those special research tasks and events in your Pokemon Go ID. Time limited events. Keep an eye on Pokemon Go event announcement in game. Many events offer Mega Energy bonuses for participating in raid, catching Pokemons or completing challenges. Focus on Pokemon you want to use most for raids or PvP, so your Mega Evolution makes the biggest impact and to make sure you win every match that you play. And that's it guys, now you know how to get Mega Energy in Pokemon Go mobile without even spending a single money. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe and comment which Pokemon you will Mega Evolve next. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.